Guys, today we're looking at something that just might change your car experience and road trips. I mean, have you ever wished you could turn your car's screen into a smart device? Well, I know that cars come with, good infotainment systems these days, but there are limitations, but not with this. Today we're looking at the Ottocast Play to Video Pro. Now this small gadget promises to add a whole new level of entertainment to your car. So stick around and buckle up as we explore all of the benefits of this cool device and why it's going to transform your driving experience. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Ottocast Play to Video Pro. This is a CarPlay and Android Auto smart device with a difference. Now, if you don't know Ottocast, well, they make a ton of different in-car entertainment devices that will revolutionize your in-car entertainment experience. Yes. Now, before we get into it, Ottocast sent me this Play to Video Pro CarPlay and Android Auto box to review. And you know guys, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got the Play to Video device itself. Now we're just going to put that down for a second. Then we have some instructions, and you know what guys, this device is pretty feature rich, so it's worth having a read of those. Then we have USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to USB-A connecting cables, which is good because not all car connections are the same. Then guys, you have the Play to Video Pro device itself. Now, first impressions of this, as it's light and compact. It's got a USB-A port on one side and it's got a USB-C port on the other and an LED. Now, what does this device actually do? Well, essentially, it turns your car's screen, your infotainment screen, into an Android tablet. Now, it runs on Android 12, which means that you can use apps like Netflix, YouTube, and things like that straight from your dashboard. And if you're an iPhone user like myself, don't worry, because it works with Apple devices too. Now, one of the coolest features is how it upgrades your car's infotainment system. If your car currently has wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this device makes it wireless. So no more fumbling with cables every time you get into the car. I mean, there's nothing worse than having to plug things in and out, right? So you can just hide this away, plug it into your car's USB port, and you are good to go. You just start your engine and your phone connects automatically, so pretty cool. And guys, setting it up couldn't be easier. First off, plug the Ottocast into your car's USB port, as I've already said, and once it's plugged in, you'll see it power on. Next, you need to connect your phone, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, look for the Play to Video Pro in the list, tap to connect, and you are good to go. And that's it really. And like I said, you only have to do that once. The next time you get in your car, it all works by magic. Now, one of the features that sets this Play to Video Pro apart from its regular CarPlay or Android Auto is its streaming services. Now, remember guys, this is for your passengers only, or maybe for you if you're parked up. I mean, you know what, if you're an electric car user, well, you know what, you need to wait for your car to charge up. So having something like this, it could be pretty cool. Now, obviously you'll need an internet connection, but you know what, you can use your phone as a hotspot. The device gives you access, like I said, to apps like Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. Oh, and top tip, if you haven't got any internet, you can actually load movies and shows onto a USB thumb drive ahead of time. Just plug it in the device And you know what? No need for any internet. You've got all your content that you can watch on your screen in the car. So that's pretty cool. Then guys, whether you use Android or iOS, you get all of your usual apps on your car screen, all wirelessly. Now, in terms of downloading apps, well, you're kind of limited to what's included, but there's definitely enough pre-installed apps to keep your passengers suitably entertained. So guys, there you have it. The Ottocast Play to Video Pro is a definite upgrade for your infotainment system. It boots up quickly, it's compact and doesn't get in the way. The interface is simple to use and the cost won't break the bank. And guys, the movement across the screen, it's all fluid, everything works nicely, just as if it was factory fitted. And you get all that full access to your Netflix, your YouTube, your own media, your music apps like Spotify. And you know what? That makes it great for families looking to add some entertainment on those long drives. Or, like I said, you electric car drivers having to wait and charge. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab one of these bad boys for about $94, which currently is around a 41% saving. So that's pretty good. I'll leave any product links and the discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Ottocast for sending me this cool device to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.